We should be back live here. Welcome back. Trading the Nasdaq. It's gonna be interesting to see how high this is gonna push. Probably gonna go to 600. It could worst case go to 800. It's gonna be interesting to see where we're heading. I'm thinking about taking a short right here. I know we have a long, I know we have an orb long. I think it's a fake out. I think we have to be a little bit careful here and not just do it just because the system is giving us a long. We should stand by and wait. I think it's going to get rejected. I think they're going to try to push it here. If I don't see a candle that's going to close above overnight highs in the next 5 minutes, and if I don't see a candle that's going to close above for the next 15 minutes above previous day's highs, I'm all short. I'm all short. So there's nothing wrong with long, nothing wrong. I'm just not doing it for now. Again, I think it's gonna push like we saw yesterday to 600, 590, and then I think it's gonna get strong rejected and then start selling off back to 460, 470, as you can see right here. It's over here. I'm looking, guys. It's over here. And I think it's gonna push up again and then sell off and then come back again. Second time. This was the pre-market session. This was around the opening. So I think we're gonna end here soon and then push back. I'm looking for a short. Might only take 30, 50, 60 points, and then it might push further and then I can short it again. So I would see how many shorts I could take or longs in the next 15 minutes, and then I'm all done. So, I mean, it's interesting. We have a strong push from 400 to 550. That's what I'm excited about. You know what? I'm thinking about going for a short here. Right here at overnight highs. I'm gonna have my stop loss at previous day's highs. I would like to target unmitigated or below. This is the opening range, lowest point, and this is the highest point. So I'm opening a short right now here at 31 on my live account. So I'm just opening up a short, light short position. Also doing it at the mirror trading account. So everyone is basically exposed. Gonna have my stop loss at 600. Again, this might not work. I can accept that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing of this have to be perfect. So I'm short. I think it's gonna push and then I think it's gonna turn. So I'm staying in light here. I'm in light right now, and then I'm gonna add very heavily to it once we are in the middle range or once we're getting strong rejected. There's nothing against going long here. There's nothing against that. Nothing against it. It's just I think it's overbought. It sold off and now it's overbought. I'm shorting because of what I see on DAX also. I know US 500, so S&P 500 and everything is just going through the roof. But I think it's going to turn soon. So I would like to add to short around here or maybe around here. I also want to be transparent. My stop loss is currently above 600, okay? So just letting you know. Again, you cannot use this really because I'm not really taking profit down there or really taking a loss. So I have adjusted so I could always move and be free. So, but again, I'm not risking more than a couple of percentage on this trade here. Let's see. Nothing of this seems to work, but it goes as planned. I'm thinking about just gonna go back to here and then I can add really. If it sells off, I make money, I cash out. So if it doesn't work, I'll exit around 640. I think I'm gonna take a loss around that area, but I would like to add heavily to it around here. I still think it can go to 800, 700. I think so. I actually think, but I want to see it's gonna sell off first, take profit, consolidate, then we can go for a long. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just not taking a long right now. That's it. Nothing else. Let's see. It's pushing again. I mean, it could really go up. It looks like it's pointing up. Yeah, it looks like it's want to go up. Again, you know me, once it's gonna push crazy, I'm adding a lot. I have my stop loss up here. It's coming back maybe to around here or even lower, and I make 100 points, and you're like, what? That doesn't make any sense. Because I add heavy here. I don't add heavy here. This is a test position for me, and I will still make good money. Still making a couple of thousand. So I mean, that's probably why I make a lot of money in this industry, because I'm not over leveraged and I could take it very chill. Now we have in short, that's the one I'm gonna follow. It's not that I only want to go short. Like if the market opens here, I'm all long. Right at previous day's lows is called an SR long. This is an SR short, and I want to go along. I want to do that. If we see selling pressure, but we see a big push for no reason, do we have any news that could back it up? No, there's nothing that could back it up. So I mean, there's nothing wrong with going long. You could do that. I'm just not doing it. So I mean, for short, I'm up 20 points. I'm thinking about cashing out if I could get another 10, 15 points. You always know me. I mean, I like to do what I'm good at, not predicting, but just scalping in and out, make money, bounce. I hope you could see me and not my face only. Because it's a little bit annoying with these YouTube streams that people only see my face, and I don't even realize that after like half an hour. Okay, everyone should be able to see actually my screen here. So again, it's bouncing because now everyone goes long. So this is a fake out. This is what I call reversal, fallback reversal. This is where I want to add normally, but I'm not doing it today. So it's selling off. Everyone goes short here. They hope. Now it bounced back and now people take long, but the smart people, they go short, stop loss up here. So I mean, for me, it's still short. There's nothing that could freak me out. Let's see. While everyone went long. Will this dump or will it just be annoying? Come on. Quick, down, and then out. I think it could go back to here quick, but also down here. I think it's the most realistic is about where I have my mouse, 490. DJ is also selling off, right? Nope. It looks like it's coming back. Doesn't want to sell off. I thought it would just go quicker. A little bit disappointed. Guys, I want to let you know that I just reduced my position because I see no progress, but I'm still in for a couple of hundred contracts. So we can still hold it, win 530. You're probably in 510, 515, I don't know. I think you should exit now. So exit here at 505, and that's right now. So you could exit short. That was a good little setup. I took it on the mirror trading account as well. Took it on my live account. Managed to make money. That's always good. I mean, I have made enough today. The DAX was okay. I was a little lucky there, and then I took this short here. So the short idea worked. Do I think we're gonna get stopped out if we was going in now? Probably not, but we don't have to overcomplicate it. I'll sit with you here for the next couple of minutes, and then we could see if there's any other good setups. Yeah, I think he's gonna bounce back. I think it could hold support here. Nope, I'm not gonna do anything. There's no progress on DAX. It's last day before Christmas. I think there's some people's gonna cash out or sell off the market that they could. So you don't go long and you don't follow or long instant because there is no close above. Okay, this only works if the candle, a 5-minute candle, 5 minute, is closing above overnight highs or closing above previous day's highs. Then you go long. Else you don't do anything. Very simple. Right, it's extremely simple. I'm sorry for you, that's why I said you should close it. But again, I'm not your advisor, I'm not your parents. I mean, it's very simple. You do what you want to do. You're an adult, you take responsibility for your own actions, and I do as well. I make money, I bounce. I don't overcomplicate it. Do I want to go short here? Nope. I predicted this big push. I know it will give a long fake out, and then I just shorted. Do I have to take it back to here? Do I have to take it all? No. I could just go in when I want to. I could exit with a loss, little profit. I could do what I want, and you could too. So I just tuned in today to show you that you shouldn't just not go along just because the system is telling you. It's not doing it for you. It's just alerting you there might be a long. If it close above, you're long, right? But you know that there is no candle body close above, so then you went short. Do you have to hold it all the way back? You don't have to, but you can. Actually, I'm thinking about opening a new short position, but it's just a little tricky here. I'm thinking about opening it actually. Let's see here. If it goes to 90, I'll open it. It's currently trading it. Yeah, I'll open. Let's see here. Nope, didn't manage. I did not manage. Was too lazy. I don't know. Okay, that was 10 points. Very quick. Not really doing much. Still think it's a short, guys. The mirror trading account is okay today, 2% up. So if you follow me, we're up 2%. doing nothing. You just automatically set it to my account. I'm not doing much here. Let's see here. I'm thinking about going short again here at 90, but I'm also worried about if it's gonna turn and push and then take these out, and then it's gonna come down again. I thought that's why I have my edge. Saw a big push, no close above. I'm short, walking away with a couple of thousand. Don't have to do more. And now if we go short, it might bounce back, and then I have to add, and then it's a very bad risk to reward. We should rather go long here, to be honest, and just follow the long signal, and then have a stop loss below. We could do that, but I'm not super sure. I'm thinking about taking the long position. I'd like to do a quick scalp here. For long maybe. Let's see. I'm not doing anything, I'm still waiting. Because to me it still looks like a short, it's still pointing down, it's still selling off. And thinks it's breaking below. We shouldn't be going along against the trend. Still looks like it's a solid short. Let's see if it goes back. Interesting. I would like to take a quick long here. I think it could be oversold. I'm gonna have my stop loss down here. Just a quick setup. Sorry guys. So I'm in a long here. Just a quick setup. You don't have to copy. I just like to be transparent and show what I do. So I went long at 20 something. Let's see. Well, things is really correcting itself. Let's see if it's gonna hold here at previous day's lows, or if it's gonna stump and sell off. Doesn't seem to work. Let's see. I'm still long. But no progress. Normally it want to sell off very heavily and then take out people a couple of times, and then it turns and then it sells off, and it could go out when everyone is out. But it should be around now in the next 5 minutes that it should turn. But it looks like it's just gonna go down and be weak. Let's see if it's gonna turn. Do we gonna have some support at 430, previous day's lows, or are we gonna sell off massively below? Because it could really dump hard from here. It could also go up. That's my thought. But Dow is selling off, that's not good. Dow is pointing down, and then Nasdaq might also do it. I mean, let's see here. I mean, US 500. As long as we hold here. I just saw something in the market, I just wanted to share it with you. Moving my stop loss closer, stop loss at 4.8. Move stop loss to 4.8. Let's see here if it goes back. Nope, doesn't seem to work. Once we breaking 450, stop loss will be moved to break even, and I'll just hold it. Come on, why are you doing this so slow? S&P selling off. Looks like that DAX is also doing it. Giving it a couple more minutes. I'm gonna close my trade in 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes, I'll close it, no matter what. Gonna move stop loss to break even, guys, in a couple of seconds. I haven't moved it yet. Waiting. I'm planning to move it in a couple of seconds. My stop loss to break even and let it run. Let's see if it's gonna work. Move stop loss to break even. Come on. Come on. Nope, doesn't seem to work. Didn't work. Looks like it's gonna sell off again. Should I move my stop loss back? Yeah, I think I might have to do that. I'm still holding for break even. Let's see here. I still have my stop loss at break even. So first position short worked. Now we went long. Let's see if that's gonna work. I'm up 15 points. Again, it doesn't seem to work. Just have to accept it. Doesn't seem to work at all. They probably want to take out the stop losses around here before they're gonna push it. Come on. Go back. Nope, doesn't seem to work. It doesn't seem to work. It's also too late now. My stop loss is at 30. Just move my stop loss to 420. I don't think it's gonna help at all. Still looks like it's gonna go down. You know what? Fuck that. Let's just exit that trade. I'm closing here for profit. I'm closing here at 450. I'm out. Overall, a very good day for me. Made a lot of money today. The Miro trading account is also very good. 9,000. That's actually a very good day. It's a good day for me. I'm done. No more trading, and I'll see you after Christmas. I'll see the market opening, but I'm out. Have no open positions, and I'm very happy with these results.